Hey dear master teachers! Natapos nyo na ba yung ating naipalabas na videos, MOV sa Objective 2 and 4? Paki-browse lang po ng ating channel because right now we are now showing Objective number 6 MOVs for master teachers para sa PFES na yung 2024-2025. So again, ito po yung ating style. Sa ngayon po kasi hindi na kailangan ng portfolio, page lang or cover page kung saan nakalagay kung ano ang hinihingi sa objective, sapat na. So ito po, sa mga MOVs natin, kailangan lang po ng isa. But then tayo, for your basis, bigay tayo ng more than one. So sa objective number 6, work with colleagues to share successful strategies that sustain supportive learning environments. So, ang nilagay natin dyan, yung proof attendance, minutes, reflection notes. So, ito po yung ating minutes of focus group discussion. Kasi this is another way of showing professional discussion with colleagues or collegial discussion. So, ang agenda po natin dyan, ayan naman po nakikita ninyo, yung mga effective classroom management strategies. So, which is aligned sa po, nilagay natin yung literacy and numeracy. Then, yung pang mga strategies, yung peer collaboration and cooperative learning. And then, mga action plan. So, bakit po yan ang ating agenda? Ating focus group discussion. Kasi, ang hinihingi naman na objective, dapat magpakita tayo ng successful strategies that sustain supportive learning environment and nurture and inspire learners to participate, cooperate, and collaborate in continued learning. So, simple lang naman po, hanap tayo ng mga ginawa natin for the year, school year, wherein pasok yung objective. So, tayo po, ito po yun, yung mga ginawa naming successful strategies or yung mga napag-usapan namin during one of our sessions. So, ito po siya, yung highlights ng focus group discussion. So, ito po, i-highlight nyo lang dyan. So, please pause this video kung gusto nyo pong makita yung content or para at least kung gusto nyo po isulat din or gamitin, pwede po. So, attended by, noted. And during the focus group discussion, for sure, mahilig tayo mag-picture. So, i-attach lang natin dyan yung mga pictures. So, nilagay ko po dyan para ma-remind kayo. Then, another MOV is yung reflection notes from a participating teacher. So, humingi ako ng reflection note. Isa sa mga teacher na kasama doon. Ito po siya. So, you can have this also or if you have sa inyong mga co-teachers kasi for sure may mga reflection notebooks yan. So, pwede naman yung sa reflection notebook or pwede rin na i-type. So, ako dito po, i-type ko na lang para at least makita po ninyo. And then, pinapirmahan ko na lang sa teacher. As long as nangyari naman siya. Or if you want, kung ano yung style nyo, pwede po. As long as yung isa sa mga participating teacher during the focus group discussion or professional discussion, makikita po dyan kung ano yung mga nangyari. Ayan. So, these are the contents. Makikita po dyan yung mga nabanggit na mga strategies, mga successful strategies that help. Yan. So, these are the contents. So, bakit po yun ang pinakita ko? Kasi ang hinihingi dyan, work with colleagues. So, as master teachers, there are many ways of coaching sessions or mga ginagawa natin to help our teachers when it comes to the giving of technical assistance. So, isa po doon is ang mga focus group discussions, mentoring sessions, or during classroom observations. So, I hope makatulong po yan.